Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video today I am here to review for you today the cutest nail lamp ever. No quacks about it. Yeah, so as you can see here, I am holding the box where it comes in, and if it looks like a duck, it probably quacks. If it quacks like a duck, it looks like a duck, it probably is a duck. But check it out, guys. Okay, I cannot wait to show you, pull this out of the box so you can see what a cutie it is. But okay, all things serious, check it out. 54 watt. 54 watt. This is the highest lamp that I've ever had to review, the highest wattage lamp that I've had reviewed, or that I've received to review, and the cutest. So let me show you around the box. It has, let me see, where is it? The features are right here on this side. So you can see, turn this around because I cannot read upside down, but it has 30 LED lights, and it has a lifetime of 50,000 hours because it's an LED lamp. But here you can see, let me show you how it comes packaged. So yeah, here you can see, again, 54 watt max, okay? And this is available on Amazon, so I will have the link and I will give you a little bit more information about how to get this lamp at a discounted price. Let's go ahead and open it up. And in the box it comes the lamp. You get the lamp, an instruction manual that I have read thoroughly, and it's very well written, guys. So you have instructions in here on how to operate the lamp. Operation instructions, the function and technical instructions, how to best make use of this lamp, okay? Okay, so I'm wrapping it right here. I already looked. This is the cord. It did come with my US cord. Here it is. As always, I will measure it and tell you how long it is. Okay, so I unraveled the cord and measured it. It is 5 feet long. That's plenty of good length for me to be comfortable around my station. Now let's take a look at the lamp. Here it is, guys. There's the mouth and, okay, the back. Use your imagination. But isn't it adorable? Oh my gosh. So it's got a winky eye. Oh, such a cute little lamp. It's really bright yellow and the orange inside. Okay, so let's take a look at the features. Obviously you can see, and this looks to be, it has a plastic protecting the display that I will peel off later. But obviously you can see already it has a digital display. It has a 30-second button, a 60-second button, and a 99-second button for presetting. If you don't, I did read in the instructions, if you don't push any of these buttons, it defaults to 120 seconds. And yeah, this button right here goes from 99 seconds, and if you press it again, it goes to 120 seconds. That's the maximum at one time. But look at, and then we have very good ventilation here. Doesn't it look like a radio? It's like I want to pick this up and put it against my ear. You connect the power cord right there. It has rubber feet, 4 rubber feet underneath, which is nice. So if you have a slippery surface, it will prevent it from sliding on you. So that's good. It has Pretty Diva. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but yes, this lamp is by Pretty Diva. Again, available on Amazon. There is their logo right here, and it says UV LED nail lamp. So this will cure both UV and LED gel polishes. Now, as also another thing that you can tell here, so the bottom is not removable, okay, but it has 30 LED lamps inside. Hopefully you can tell there. The center here, this is ventilation right there. It has the LED lights are equally spaced, so divided between this area right here and then this area right here. And then as far as the side for the thumbs, let me show you. Here's the size for the thumbs on both sides. There we go. Okay, and this is the sensor for how to make it come on automatically when you insert your hand in there. It's right in the center. So taking a look at the configuration of this lamp, guys, this is how I would see myself using it. 2 hands at the same time. You may do that. It seems like it's the way it is configured, it's like it allows for that, okay? So you can put one hand on this side or either side, whether it's, you know, left-handed, right-handed. But yeah, I could see how it guides itself towards using it being used that way, or not maybe not necessarily, but or like this, because the lights are spread around this area on the inside. There you go. See, you see them. 30 LED lights, 54 watt on this little thing. Wow. I have gone ahead and lifted the corner of this plastic with my orange wood stick, and I'm going to peel it off. There we go. And I also want to mention that it is pretty light. It is very light. Now let's go ahead and plug this in and play around with it and see how it works. So I have it plugged in, and I have turned off my overhead lamp so you can see the display, the counter on the display here better. It is lit up now in just 000 now that I have it plugged in. And so without doing anything, without pressing any buttons, let's say I'm going to use this buffer block as if it were my hand. You put your hand in and it defaults to, like I said before, 120 seconds, and it is, you see that it is counting down, okay? You take your hand out, it resets itself back to 0. If you put your hand back, it restart again, 120. That's without me doing anything. That's after I plugged it in, not pressing any buttons. Now let's go ahead and get this out. Let's say we wanted to go for 30 seconds. That first time that you press the 30-second button, it will start counting down. And let's say I'm going to go ahead and let it count down, and I'll speed up through the rest of this. Okay, it has now 0 out, but it has been preset to 30 seconds. Let's say now you put your hand in there, and as you saw, so now it starts counting down from 30 seconds. Now here's something else that surprised me about this lamp too. Let's say I take my hand out. You see how the counter stopped right at 22? This is also a smart lamp, so not only is this little duck pretty powerful at 54 watt, but it is a smart one. See, it stopped at 22 seconds. I put my hand back in, and it continues down from counting down from 22 seconds. Pretty cool. I do like that about a lamp, and plus having the display. Yes, so the same thing it will do. That was the 30-second set. Here's the 60-second preset button. It was already on. I remove, it stops at whatever, and it continues on when I put my hand back in. Pretty neat. Okay, so the 99-second. So with the 99-second, guys, and hopefully you can tell here what this does. This is the dual power. So this will, if you press the night, this is for if and when you have a product that might give you heat spikes. It starts out at 99 seconds at a lower wattage. Usually it's about, it doesn't say in the book, but it's usually about half of what the lamp normally is. And then around, let's see, I believe I can't remember which one I saw it, which around the timing, you will see it right there. So around the 70-second, when it's counting down from 70 to 69, right there, it increases the wattage. I don't know if you were able to tell. But yes, and it continues on. That's a very good feature. Another great feature for if and when you have those products that might give you heat spike, and you don't have to worry about it. Now, from about halfway down, or the rest of the time, it is curing the product at a higher wattage. So I hope that's making sense for you guys. And that's good to have that. And with this 99-second button as well, it does have the memory. So if you remove your hand, you can see it stopped at 26 seconds, and it continues down, counting down. Okay, so I have my headlight back on, and I will tell you something, guys. Since this quick little test that I've been doing, the lamp does get warm. Okay, 54 watt. Let me tell you, as cute as this is not a beginner's lamp. This is definitely an advanced lamp at 54 watt. It's got great features on it, and at 54 watt, you better bet that this is going to cure builder gel. I'm going to do a very quick test here using this gel and the gel bottle ink. This is a builder gel that very conveniently comes already in a bottle with a brush, and I happen to have, I went ahead and put pull this stick right here. I'm going to go ahead and apply it and then give it a test and see if how well it cures. So let's say 30 seconds. Okay, so now that I've finished applying the builder gel, let's go ahead and put in the lamp. I have to use the buffer block so I can catch the sensor. And it is already preset for 30 seconds. Let's make sure this is in the center. Okay, now it's done. Let's see. I got, and I think this. Oh wow, yeah, that is. I couldn't remember if this has a tacky layer or not. Let me bring you in closer, so you can see that there's no streak marks at all. Look at that. Oh, don't want to get you out of focus. Yeah, I couldn't remember if I had the tacky layer with this one or not, but look at that. It is completely cured. Try to poke it for a builder gel. Yep, I would have expect that 54 watts to cure this builder gel for any builder gel in 30 seconds. Okay guys, now let me tell you about how to get this lamp and how you go about getting a discount for this lamp. So like I said, it is available on Amazon. Here's the listing of it, and it is currently listed at $53 even on Amazon, but the seller has a $20 coupon that you can apply at checkout from Amazon, directly from Amazon. You immediately get a $20 off of the original price. Okay, now here's something else that Pretty Diva is doing for my followers. If you're interested in purchasing this lamp and be willing to do a review for the lamp, let's take that out, on Amazon, Pretty Diva will give you 50% off the lamp that you can apply along with that $20 coupon. Okay, so yeah, that's a heck of a discount. And the way to do that is that you will contact her directly via Facebook. So friend Pretty Diva on Facebook. I will have the page linked down in the description bar below, and that's for an additional 50% off of this lamp in addition to the $20 if you're willing to do an honest review after using the lamp on your Amazon account. So yeah, I will have all the information down below. If you have any questions whatsoever, please leave them as a comment and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Pretty Diva for sending me this awesome, cute, very powerful lamp to play with and review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.